Hello, and thank you for stopping by my channel again, Cooking with Shani. This is part 2 of my Wakey Bakey chicken. So what I did was, I baked some chicken, gave you a couple pointers and my recipe on the first tutorial for this one. The end result, I just did a garlic mashed potato with a roasted asparagus tip, red onion, and mushroom. So let's dig into this. And even though we baked this for an hour and a half, it's still juicy and tender, just how I like it. Well, thank you for watching my channel. Come back again. I hope to get better and better with time. Thanks for watching. Bye.